October 9th, Monday. Caring for our brothers. Go and do likewise. The story of Jonah narrates the various ways God tries to awaken us from our spiritual indifferences. Jonah was heading in a wrong direction, both physical and spiritually. His journey serves as a powerful reminder of God's enduring love and His desire to see us grow and fulfill the purpose He has each one of us. God often uses the storm of adversity to teach us to mend our ways. The gospel emphasizes that our love and concern to help others in need must be practical. We cannot run away from our obligations to care for our fellow human beings. Our love for others must be as wide, as inclusive as God's love. It is difficult for us to understand the impact that such a story would have had on the traditions, Jewish listeners. In our context, it would be something like a Muslim helping a Hindu fundamentalist who had been abandoned by a fellow devotee. Perhaps we can think of examples closer to home. For the Jews, there was a negative stereotype about the Samaritans. Likewise, we also suffer from the poison of stereotypes of caste, race, and skin colors. This unhealthy concept influences our attitudes deeply and now often unconsciously make us look down on others. Thus, pattern of our daily choices will make us realize what kind of Christians we are. Patterns never lie. Pray and practice. Lord, increase my faith so that I may see you in every person I meet. Deepen my love so that I may experience the joy that comes from giving and not from counting the cost.